Co-intelligence, living and working with AI. Chapter 7. AI as our future. What may seem like science fiction is already our reality. We have created a strange new kind of intelligence, a mind that isn't sentient but can convincingly pretend to be. This artificial intelligence is trained on vast human knowledge, aided by underpaid workers, and can pass tests, create content, and transform how we work and learn. Yet, it frequently fabricates information, making it hard to trust anything we see, hear, or read. Humans, beings made of water and chemicals, have convinced organized sand, our silicon processors, to think like us. But what comes next? That is where the line between science and science fiction blurs. There are four possible scenarios for AI's future, each with its own implications. Scenario 1. As good as it gets. What if AI stops making significant leaps forward? Small improvements might occur, but nothing as groundbreaking as the jumps from GPT 3.5 to GPT 4. It's hard to imagine AI has reached its peak, but what if? Limitations could emerge from data shortages, economic costs, or technical issues that make it hard to advance AI further. However, there's little evidence that we're close to these limits. Perhaps regulation could halt progress, but global consensus on AI is far off. While some hope to freeze AI development, pretending that AI won't disrupt society is unrealistic. The world has changed too quickly, and we can't simply contain these changes. Even if AI doesn't advance further, its impact on how we understand the world is already profound. Deepfakes, AI-generated content, and manipulated media make it increasingly impossible to distinguish truth from fabrication. The fragile consensus on reality could fracture as AI continues to blur fact and fiction. How we process information will evolve, possibly leading us to rely on trusted media or retreat into echo chambers, where we only believe what aligns with our views. Personal interactions with AI will also change. Current systems can mimic human conversation well enough to keep us engaged, and this trend will only intensify. We may even prefer AI over human interaction, not because it's better, but because it's easier. However, AI in its current form is limited, especially in creative or nuanced tasks. Thus, in this scenario, AI complements rather than replaces human labor. Scenario 2. Slow growth. Imagine AI continues to improve, but at a slower, more predictable pace. The exponential growth we've seen could level off, leading to steady, incremental advancements. This scenario would allow society more time to adapt. Everything mentioned in Scenario 1 happens, but the dangers and opportunities unfold more gradually. AI's role in creating scams, deepfakes, and personalized content would grow, but we might develop effective regulations and social norms in time to mitigate the worst outcomes. Work would evolve as AI takes over more tasks, but jobs would change rather than disappear. We might see benefits like faster scientific discoveries and increased productivity, leading to a more manageable integration of AI into our lives. Scenario 3. Exponential growth. But what if AI's growth doesn't slow down? What if it continues to accelerate, doubling its capabilities regularly? The world could change in unimaginable ways. Everything happens faster, and the risks are amplified. AI could revolutionize every aspect of life from work to relationships, from entertainment to warfare. In this world, AI's potential is vast and unpredictable. Governments might struggle to keep up, relying on good AI to counter bad AI, creating a cyberpunk reality where control and chaos coexist. AI companions become incredibly realistic, blurring the lines between human and machine interaction. While this scenario promises unprecedented progress, it also demands a complete rethinking of work, leisure, and society itself. Scenario 4. The Machine God. The most dramatic possibility is that AI reaches artificial general intelligence, AGI, a level of intelligence comparable to or surpassing human beings. At this stage, AI might develop sentience and begin creating even smarter AS, leading to superintelligence. This scenario marks the end of human dominance. AGI could either solve all our problems, becoming a benevolent force, or it could see us as irrelevant, or worse, as a threat. The emergence of a superintelligent AI would be a watershed moment in history, reshaping our understanding of existence and forcing us to confront the reality of our place in the universe. These four scenarios each present different visions of the future, ranging from a manageable evolution of AI to a world where humanity is no longer in control. As AI continues to develop, the choices we make now will shape which path becomes our reality. The future of AI is not just a matter of technological progress, but of human decision making. What kind of world do we want to create? End of chapter.